Updating your payment information on your Apple ID is essential for ensuring that your subscriptions and purchases go through smoothly. Follow these steps to make the process quick and easy. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage all your Apple ID settings, including payment information. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings where you can access payment options. Step 3. Select Payment and Shipping. Scroll down and find the Payment and Shipping option. Tap on it to view your current payment methods and shipping address. Step 4. Update payment information. Here, you can add a new payment method or edit existing information. Tap on Add Payment Method to enter new details or select an existing method to update it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering or updating your payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Done or Save button to confirm the updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information current on your Apple ID. Regular updates ensure uninterrupted service and access to your favorite apps and subscriptions.